Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x minus 1 whole cubed equals to 8, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to move this 8 in the left hand side, and it will be written as x minus 1 cubed minus 8 equals to 0. So further you see here we have we rewrite this equation as x minus 1 cubed minus this is 8, and we write it as 2 cubed, and this whole is equals to 0. So further after this step here we need more simplifications, and now we can apply the cubic formula here. And you know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here we can apply this nice cubic formula. So according to this nice formula we will write our above equation as in this form. If you see here we have the value of a is x minus 1, the value of b is 2. So now we need to substitute the value of a and b in this formula. So according to this formula we expand our above equation as this is a minus b, the value of a is x minus 1, and the value of b is 2 into a square. So the value of a is x minus 1 square plus this is ab, the value of a is x minus 1 into value of b is 2 plus b square. So b is 2 square, and this whole equals to 0. So after that we need more simplifications here, and now you see that this is x minus 1 minus 2 equals to minus 3 into here we need to expand this nice square. So here we can apply the square identity, so that when you can apply the square identity here it will be written as a square plus b square minus 2 times of a and b, and plus here we can multiply this 2 on both of these terms. It will becomes 2x minus 2 plus this 2 square equals to 4, and this whole equals to 0. So after this step here we need more simplifications here, and it will be written as x minus 3 times of x square plus this is 1 square equals to 1, and minus 2 times of x equals to 2x, and this is also plus 2x, and minus 2 plus 4 equals to plus 2, and this whole equals to 0. So after this step you see here this is plus 2x and minus 2x are cancelled by each other, and we get the remaining terms are in this form: x minus 3 times of here we have x square, and this 1 plus 2 equals to plus 3, and this whole equals to 0. And now here we need to divide this equation into the two cases, so that our first case is we take x minus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we take x square plus 3 equals to 0. So that from first case here we easily get the value of x equals to 3. This is the first value of x, this is the first real root. And now in order to find the other roots we need to move this plus 3 to the right hand side. It will be written as x square equals to minus 3. And now in order to find the value of x we need to take the square root on both of the sides of this equation, so that when you take a square root it will be written as in this form. This 2 and square root are gone, and we get x is equals to plus minus. Here we you know that when you have the square root, negative sign becomes inside the square root, it will be equals to iota, and we write it as square root of 3 into square root of minus 1. And we know that square root of minus 1 equals to iota. So we have the other two roots of the given equation are x equals to plus minus square root of 3 into iota. So these are the three roots of the given equation. And now here we need to verify these three values of x, and we check that which of these values are satisfied our given question statement. So now first we need to copy down the given question statement. It is x minus 1 cubed equals to 8. And now here first we need to put the value of x here, so that now we can put 3 equals x equals to 3 here. So we can write here, first we check it at x equals to 3. So when you substitute x equals to 3 here, it will be written as 3 minus 1 cubed, and it is equals to 8. So this equation is implies that 3 minus 1 equals to 2 cubed, and it is equals to 8. And here clearly you see that 2 cubed is equals to 8 and 8 is equals to 8. So this shows that the value of x equals to 3 satisfied over this given question statement. Yeah, so first root is satisfied the given question statement, and now we can check the second root. So that our second root is, we can substitute the positive value of x here, so that the positive complex value is square root of 3 iota. And now we need to put this value here, so it will be written as so given equation will becomes square root of 3 iota minus 1 and its whole cubed. And here we check that is this equals to 8 or not. So that now here, in order to simplify this value, we can just open this cube formula, and we know that a minus b whole cubed equals to, we can write it here, a minus b whole cubed equals to a cubed minus b cubed minus 3 times of ab into a minus b. Okay, here we can apply this nice formula on the left hand side of this equation. So according to this formula, it will be written as square root of 3 into iota cubed minus 1 cubed minus 3 times of ab. So here our a is square root of 3 iota and our b is 1, and a minus b. So here again our a is square root of 3 iota minus b is 1. Okay, and we check that is this equals to 8 or not. Okay, so here we need more simplifications, and now we can write this expression as 3 we can write this 3 to the power of 1 over 2 and its whole cubed, and we write this iota cubed, and 1 cubed equals to 1. And here when you combine the exponent of these two terms, it will be written as 3 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2, and it will becomes 3 to the power of 3 over 2 into iota, and this will be written as square root of 3 iota minus 1. And we check is this equals to 8 or not. So here you see that this will be written as 3 to the power of 3 over 2, and iota cubed equals to minus times of iota, and this is minus 1. And now we multiply this value on this value here, so it will be written as 3 to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied by square root of 3, and this iota multiply iota becomes iota square, and when this value is multiplied by here, it will be written as plus 3 to the power of 3 over 2 into iota, and we check that is this equals to 8 or not. Okay, so after this step we see here you have this is minus 3 to the power of 3 over 2, and this is positive value, these two are cancelled by each other, and we will get here iota square equals to minus 1. So when you substitute it here, it will becomes minus 1 plus we need to add the exponent of these two terms, and it will be written as 3 square, and this is equals to 8. We check that is this equals to 8 or not. Okay, so now you see here this is 3 square equals to 9, and we check that is this equals to 8 or not. So minus 1 plus 9 equals to 8 equals to 8. This shows that the second positive complex value of x is also satisfied the given question statement. And similarly you can I can left the third checking of third solution, and this is the negative value for up to you can satisfied the third value as by yourself. Okay, and this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.